is up, guys? And today I'm gonna be unboxing and reviewing the Gk61. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so first we're gonna be unboxing the Gk61. As you can see, it's got a really nice box. It's nice, nice and smooth. It's got the logo here, right here, printed out there, and here it just says keyboard color. I got black. Backlist, so RGB because it lights up obviously. I got Gator on blue switches on mine, and yeah, it has a little hatch at the bottom here. You just open this up, take that out, and then it opens up really nicely, just pulls up like this, and yeah. Okay, so here's the keyboard. Here's the keyboard. It looks really nice. It's in a nice packaging, really nice. Looks really nice and clean as well. Okay, we're gonna open this up. Okay, I'm gonna take it out. Let's have the first look at the Gk61. Okay, so here the keyboard is. Looks really nice. Yeah. In here we've got a little instruction manual by the looks of things. Yep, so this I'm pretty sure just shows like all the different parts about it. At the back here, this is what it looks like. Just behind here, this little hatch, you just open this up, and behind here we've got a cable. So it's a really nice cable, so it's not plastic, it's got, as you can see, the threads over it. Looks really nice. And we've also got keycap puller and switch puller in here because the keyboard's hot swappable. And I'm gonna open this up. Okay. So here they are. One's just like normal plastic, and then this one's the keycap puller. It's just like metal things. I'm gonna keep them in here for now. Okay, so here's the. So just like that. Okay. A good feature about this keyboard is it has the switch where you plug it in on the corner, which in my opinion is way better than the middle. The keyboard sits up like this, and it's got rubber boards at the bottom of it, like here, just for more grip. At the back of it, it just says like the name of the keyboard, Gk61, and yeah. Okay, I'm gonna have my first click of the keyboard. I promise I haven't clicked it yet. This is the first click. Okay, that sounds really nice. That's really nice. Okay. The keycaps look really nice. They've got see-through parts here, so when it's plugged in, the lighting goes through there, and it also goes through the gaps. It's got a nice gloss on the side of the keycaps, and yeah, let's plug it in and have a look. Okay, so here I'm gonna plug it in for the first time, and I just plugged it in before to see. It has a really nice like RGB pattern when you turn it on. That's what happens when you plug it in. It has like a little swirly pattern go down here. I really like this look. I really like this. I'm gonna do, yeah, this is basically what it looks like while it's lighted up here. Yeah, it looks really... Time for the typing test. So I'm just gonna type some random stuff just so you can see what it feels like, sounds like. The blue switches are really clicky, I really like it. The keycaps have a nice texture where it like goes in, it has like a curve, and it feels really good on your fingers. And it just goes in really nice, I really like it. Okay, I'm gonna type some stuff now, just random stuff. It's really nice, as you can see. Has like a really nice look to it while it's lit up. Has like a lovely texture, you can see it through the sides, and yeah, that's basically how it sounds. The gloss really helps the light like really shine and makes the keycaps have a really nice texture to it. I really like it. And yeah, this is what. So this is like how big it is like compared to my hand. It's like a 60, it's because it's a 60% keyboard, it's not that big. As you can see, this is my hand compared to it. I can like fit my hand around it. It's like really nice size. And yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you the different LED modes on the keyboard. So the first one is just this. It has a nice swirly pattern with all the colors fading through. The second one is this. It goes around in like a circular pattern. I don't know if you can see that. The colors go around like that. This one, colors go up, like they go up this way. This is like more solid color type of look. As you can see, it just swirls through different colors. The next one, this is like, I'm pretty sure it's solid color, so this is just a green. Yeah. And when you click, just really nice. Okay, this one is solid colors going through, so it's just different transitions. Really like it. Okay, and now we're back to here. Okay, this is another one it has. So basically for this one, I'm gonna turn on the light to show you this one. This is a LED mode where basically when you click something, it like lights up and then fades away. Looks really nice. It's a really nice texture. And by doing that, you press FN and then the button next to the second function key, as you can see right here. So this is the first one to go through the first 3 functions, and then this one is another one with different functions. Here, we also have this one. When you click a key, it slides across through the sides. So the row that you click the button on, that row lights up with the color. It's a really nice one as well. This one, this is really nice. So when you click a button, it flashes out with different colors. Looks really nice. This one's kind of weird. So basically, it basically is like a volume tuner basically, and there's a microphone in the spacebar, and when you talk, it goes up. So basically, if all of it goes up, or if like I hit the keyboard or something, it goes up really high. But then if I stop talking, it like stays there. And as you can see, as I talk, it like goes up in that. That's a cool function. And yeah, we're back to this one. They're all the different LED modes. As you can see in the instructions, it shows the different functions that there is. and how to activate them and the different function keys. If you liked the video, make sure to like it and drop a comment down below what you want to see next or what you enjoyed in the video. And also, if you want to see future videos and stay notified, put on post notifications and subscribe. Yeah, that's the Gk61 for you.